The symptoms of chronic sinusitis are things that a lot of people experience, and that is facial pain, headache, nasal congestion, runny nose, as well as other symptoms like fatigue, difficulty sleeping, poor concentration, and feeling ill. Well, we always try to treat chronic sinusitis first by maximizing medical therapy. That includes treatment of underlying allergy or clearance of underlying bacterial or viral disease. Following that, if you still have symptoms of chronic sinusitis, then sometimes it will require surgical intervention to clear the sinus disease out, and that is done in selected patients with the proper indications. Balloon sinuplasty has advantages over conventional surgery in that it is a tool we use intraoperatively to get to the hard-to-reach sinuses in a fashion that takes less time, requires less dissection, and has less bleeding and a faster recovery time. Sinus surgery nowadays is done on an outpatient basis. It takes about an hour and a half to 2.5 hours to complete. It is done through endoscopes, which are video cameras that we use through the nostril cavities without the need for external incisions. Balloon sinuplasty is done by threading a catheter with a balloon over a wire into the natural openings to the sinuses, and then inflating the natural openings with the balloon, which prevents you for the need to do dissection or cutting, thus decreasing bleeding and operation time. The benefit of balloon sinuplasty is that because there's less dissection, there is less bleeding and less trauma to the tissues. Thus recovery is generally very quick. We usually restrict activity for 1 week, but most people are back on their feet after that with normal activity. Balloon sinuplasty does require experience. You do need some time with the devices and the catheters to become expeditious with their use. At Carlson Ear, Nose, and Throat, all of our doctors use this as a mode of, as a tool within their sinus surgery technique. Well, the benefit of balloon sinuplasty is that it will open the sinus passages, thus preventing them from getting blocked. The symptoms that we're trying to improve are the same symptoms of chronic sinusitis, which is facial pressure, pain, headache, nasal congestion. Chronic sinusitis affects a large percentage of the population, and just like to let them know that there is help for them. Rather than trying their own home remedies or reaching out to their pharmacies and trying to find ways to improve their symptoms, they can get help from professionals that are trained and well equipped to handle their chronic sinusitis issues.